Well, I already see something wrong with this thing. This is a Sony DVD recorder with a built-in VHS hi-fi stereo recorder as well. And it is a model number RDR-VX530. RDR-VX530. Yeah, the first thing I see is the loading posts and the back tension arm are partially loaded at this point. With the tape out, those things should be fully back here, and the back tension arm should be completely retracted. Well, I was going to pop a tape into it, but I don't think it's going to work. So let's power this thing on and see if it tries to do anything. Well, the loading motor, what? Oh, jeez, you got to be kidding me. Hang on, let me get this in focus for you guys. Well, don't know if I can zoom in any more on that or not. Well, they chose to save 1/10 of 1 penny per gear. And see how that tab is broken? I need to use the other hand. The loading motor is running, but look. It's not Bluetooth, people. It needs to be connected. Wow, and they're breaking up. I mean, just barely touch those things and they're gone. Oh, way to go, Sony. Although it's really not Sony's fault, because I believe these were made by Samsung, if I'm not mistaken. Trying to look for some part numbers or some identifying marks like a name on the circuit board. Samsung certainly enjoyed putting their name on the board in big bold letters, but I'm not seeing it on this case. Yeah, well, obviously going to be a short video. It's not going to play a tape if it can't load. So I'll do a bit of research and see if someone might offer a 3D printed gear as a replacement. But I seriously doubt I'm going to find a replacement gear for this unit that was new in, let me see. I'm not seeing a date. Let me know if you guys see a date. Yeah, I would have thought it would have been on this model tag right here. But no. Okay, nevertheless, I don't think I can save this thing. Once again, unless I can find someone who has an original new old stock or 3D printed replacement gear. So if any of you guys do 3D printing and you think you can repair this gear, go ahead and leave me a comment. I'll get in touch with you via email. Send me an email and leave me a comment. And we'll see if we can get this thing going once again. Anyhow, that's it. Quick diagnostic on this unit. I'm not even going to try the DVD player over here, which incidentally, let me go and zoom in on that so you can actually read it. And I'll flip it over right way around. So it tells me that it's manufactured by Toshiba Samsung Storage Technology, or designed by. Not quite sure who actually made this, but let's flip it back around so it's in normal orientation now. And then that's where I'm going to leave it. So I can't do any more, unfortunately. Everyone, thank you for making it to this end of the short little video. I really appreciate it. Everyone have a great day. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.